Yo, what is going on, everybody? I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Riley, also known as Canadian Vapor on this channel. Now guys, I just want to show you something. I just had a quick stream. It was a 20-minute stream. If you guys do not like Fortnite, I'm sorry, but everybody loves Fortnite, and here's my setup. We are going to be streaming tonight at 7 o'clock, and I'm doing a huge giveaway of 5,000 subs. Now let me show you my stream layout. This is what it looks like. We are at 49.38. Come on. You can focus. My sub goal tonight. Come on. 5K. Everybody go ahead and share this video. We need 5K tonight, okay? But aside the fact, today I finally received, well, I received my package like last week, but I finally got, focus. I finally received my vape juice that I've been waiting for from the sponsorship, the IVG. Go check them out. The link will be down in the description. The juices are pretty good. There's a few that I got sent that I don't like. I sold one of them. This one I do not like, but the blue raspberry and the strawberry millions I like, and bubblegum millions. Now, somebody recommended this video back, I don't know, maybe a few months ago, saying mix all your juices together. Exactly what I'm going to do in today's video. I'm going right to the kitchen, you guys, setting up all my juices, and we're going to put them all into my tank. This is going to be absolutely nasty. I'll catch you guys in a few. Okay, we are finally all set up now. I had to take a thumbnail, close all the windows because my neighbors are doing so much shit over there. So annoying. But I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bottles of juice, and all of them are leaking right now. Some of them are really low on juice, some of them are really full. It's gonna be nasty. There is. I'm gonna title all these right now, or say them all right now for you guys. We starting from the small one. We got Pina Colada, we got Cool Menthol. That's a strong one. That's 8 Nick. Then we got green apple jam monster. Then we got this cloud, which is strawberry, like a kiwi. And then we got appleberry crumble. I'm sorry to the person who sponsored me for like the juice. That is disgusting. Sorry, I had to say that. Blue raspberry juice, strawberry millions, and blueberry millions. Now this blueberry, or the bubblegum, not blueberry, bubblegum. The bubblegum one is absolutely freaking delicious. I love the bubblegum one. Now, I got an empty tank here. I'm gonna go ahead and just slap all these juices together, and then we're gonna take a couple hits. I don't want to fill it too much because then I'm gonna have to empty it. It'll just be a waste. So tank. Guys, this is gonna be absolutely nasty. All my juices just went into the same tank. Now, a dripper would be a bit different because it would take the flavor of the first drip, right? Not all of them. Now, this tank is very powerful. Thank God I got a new coil in the car that I just bought, because I'm gonna have to change a coil after this because I absolutely hate some of that juice. Now, are you guys ready for this? This is gonna be nasty. Let's move the camera up a bit. Okay, let's do this. Oh, there's already juice in the mouth. Juice all over the mouthpiece. Wipe it on the white shirt. Okay, I taste the bubble gum. It's really watery. Oh, I taste that fucking apple crumble. It's actually not that bad. It's really not that bad. That apple crumble tasted a lot worse by itself, but all I'm tasting right now is menthol, bubblegum, and the apple crumble. Oh wow, that is nasty. Oh. Guys, that apple crumble one made me vomit. There was another one that I had, strawberries and cream. That one made me gag. Oh god. Each and every hit is getting worse. That is so fucking disgusting. I love the bubble gum. If you guys are looking for an absolutely delicious juice, this one right here. Their link is down in the description, guys. Go check them out. Actually, their juice is really good. Like some of them are good. Everybody that I've let try the bubblegum absolutely loves it, but the strawberry one's good, the blue raspberry one's good, but the apple crumble one I do not like, and I do not like the strawberries and cream one. The apple crumble one just gets my stomach going, man. I'm gonna be on the shitter. Hell no. I got a headache. I actually fucking have a headache now. Woo. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry for the short video, you guys. I'm just trying to get a video out there for you guys. I'm dropping another video the day after this one goes out, so like tomorrow I'm gonna have another video. I'm gonna film another one right now. I already did a video on how to fix burnt quills, but there's a quicker way to do it, which is temporary. It works for a few hits, and it's super easy, and my friend taught me it, and it works so good. So I'm gonna make a video on that, so be sure you guys subscribe with notifications. Make sure you guys watch my live stream. It's going live right after this video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys did enjoy, and go check out the juice company because it's actually, the bubblegum one is absolutely one of my favorite juices. It is so good, so much flavor. It's like bubblegum with a hint of menthol. It just goes great together. But anyways, you guys, I gotta stop talking so much. Comment, like, subscribe, do whatever you guys want to do. Be sure to get me to 5K because I can't do anything more besides post my videos. Now it's up to you guys to tell me, and if you guys want this giveaway, you gotta get me to 5K by midnight tonight. That's like 4 hours. So thank you guys again. I'll see you guys tonight. Peace.